Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, we need to swipe up to see the applications on our watch and click on the settings icon. After this, scroll down until you will see tab named General. Right here. Click on it and scroll down until you will see button Reset. Click on that button and right here you can read a warning. If you reset, all your personal information will be erased from your watch. If your watch is connected to your phone, your watch data will be backed up to your phone before resetting. If you read the warning and everything's okay, then click on Reset. After this, your watch will start backing up your data. After the backup of your data has been done, your watch will start restarting and getting back to the factory settings. After it's done, you would need to set up your watch with your phone again, as in the first time when you just bought these watches. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.